what's up, BKL's here to show y'all something pretty neat. Look at that. I was having a little fun. But, for real, like, I got this. They also come in Obama, they come in Hillary. I'm not Trump dissing at all, so I don't want no hate. Dude, like, I live in a household full of Trump lovers and Trump haters, and we don't kill each other every day because of it. And, like, my kids, you ask them who the president or who Trump is, they'll say the president. I even have my 6-year-old that wants to put this on his wall. Okay, so I just thought this was a funny little gift just because of the whole entire Trump grabbing you by the pussy, because now he can literally grab you by the pussy any way you want. And as much, and it really came with like a full roll, so like this isn't it. It's just huge. But pretty cool, huh? Like, and it came with different bases, but I thought this with the mouth open would be more sufficient. But with his mouth closed with the whole entire grabbing you by the pussy type comment. I know, like, he can grab you all sorts of ways, I guess, right? Not just supposed to, dude. Grab you, okay, but anyway, I just want to say, like, I'm not, like, critical, I'm not, like, gonna go on a rant about Trump. I mean, if you want me to, and tell you my feelings, comment below, and I'll do that, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna stop out there like that right now, but, it's nothing bad. It's Trump paper, pretty cool. Like I said, it comes in all different kinds, and I don't know, I just want to share it to you guys. And like I said, like, you can even have a grab you by the tail. But that's like club talk, right? Like some guys do in the bar, they just talk about grabbing women by their vaginas. Personally, if a dude came out to me in a bar and grabbed me by my vagina, I'd be like, what the fuck you thinking, motherfucker? You know? Like, I would be like, oh, that's cool. That's what guys do. They grab people by their pussies and their vaginas. We like being grabbed by vaginas. Or kudos. Whatever you want to call your Snapchat. Whatever. Okay? Snapchat. Well, hope you guys have a nice day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace, love, truly yours, chaos.